people, welcome back to my channel. It is Chrissy K coming back to you again with another video, and this is introduce yourself.
G. I pray.
He has another name, but for now you can call him G. Alright, comment below, what would you want to call him? People man?
What?
No, I'm joking.
Yeah, that mix up with someone.
Call him People man?
Do that shit, bro.
Kayla man?
Nah, Kayla's husband. That's what it is.
Yeah. Quarantine is not that bad. Yeah. Outside. Wait, what is that song with Ding Dong?
Inside.
Come on, give them a 1-2 B.
I'm not do that. I'm stage fright.
No, you're not. Yeah. What did we do today?
PG reference.
We didn't go out. Side eye.
I think we should do scripts for this. Scripts.
Well, I already have my intro.
No, like scripts.
Oh, what you're supposed to say?
Yeah, type of way.
No, you just be yourself.
I'm not accustomed to being myself on camera like this.
Me?
Black one causes here smoking up a storm last night and shit too.
He doesn't want to be on camera.
He doesn't. Oh, true.
That man's low key.
Well, you could have him censored out like his. I don't know. I don't know about this bagging thing, man. Fuck it.
He's getting used to it. I want to do some pranks on him.
Until they be fine.
But the thing is, no, actually, I did a story the other day, and many people commented, gave me ideas on what kind of pranks that I should do towards him, and some of the pranks that was showed to me, they're ruthless. I was like, whoa, this is like a breakup thing. I'll give you a hint of what people were trying to tell me to do to you, which when I say the idea, I'm not gonna do it just because ew, it's disgusting. They told me to what is it called? How do I say in a PG way? My bleep smells like fish. Prank.
What?
So basically, they wanted me to open a can of sardine, kind of rub it on me, and get your reaction. So get you in the mood. Those were the ideas. I was just like, ew, that's disgusting. No. Worse if I don't even like tuna, or the smell of tuna, sardine, mackerel. Ew.
Nobody likes the smell of that shit.
Exactly.
Up in your place.
Yeah. You're gonna see more of him.
Yeah, but I'm gonna take more to be a fucker. Wait, I can't say fucker anymore.
I'm gonna have to bleep it out. Yeah.
Bleep it out, okay? I'm editing it now. Careful.
Trouble. So I guess we should do a Q&A right now. A quick Q&A.
Q&A.
Yeah. How long have we known each other?
Long enough.
That's not an answer.
What is it? Technically it is. What are you talking about?
How many years do you know me, babe?
Almost 6 years, right?
No.
Yeah.
December's gonna be 7.
What?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah. 6 years for true.
What's wrong with you?
Eh. When's my birthday?
The same day. It's after same month in a change.
When is my birthday?
The 12th of July. Dude.
Okay. What's my favorite color?
You like them warm, earthly, boring colors. I like this type of color. You never particular say, oh, I like pink and I like that. You just say, oh, I like one
I do
colors.
have a particular color.
Or you never really establish that.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I like neutral color.
Boring colors.
Neutral.
Boring.
Whatever. What's my favorite Jamaican food?
Jerk chicken.
No.
You're crazy about jerk chicken.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Mm-mm.
You know you're crazy about jerk chicken.
No.
Again? You nobody like jerk chicken?
I do, but it's not my favorite.
Oh.
Because some people, when them jerk the chicken, them jerk it too hot.
So you say too hot, do you mean?
Burn my mouth.
Then you make it thing cool, girl.
How?
What?
The seasoning.
Oh, the spice.
Yeah.
Do you have its option? Nobody really jerks and adds and does the thing with sauce and whatnot if you don't require it.
The jerk man and Lucy always jerk it
You
too
tell
hot.
them say no sauce. Or the sauce that them put on it.
Oh. Okay, what's my favorite food regardless?
Bro. I don't know. If it's not jerk chicken, I don't know.
Oxtail.
Oh yeah? What?
Yeah, I love oxtail, man.
Yeah, well, all Jamaicans do, but we never really hear you crave oxtail.
Yes, I crave it,
That's
but
how you crave jerk chicken.
listen, guys, I crave oxtail all the time. The only thing it dear. It dear bad. Who's my favorite dancehall artist? Female.
Female?
Mm-hmm.
I would assume Shensia.
Yeah. What about male?
I wouldn't say Alkaline syrup
I do, but like he's not my favorite
anymore. Oh, Dexter?
No.
I give up.
Governor.
When him drop in?
Like governor.
I some money. When him drop in?
Governor have a buzz. Him have a buzz. Osh. Osh.
So that's governor's female cousin. Okay.
Oh, what do you mean?
Okay.
What you say?
Nice and
I don't know what else to ask you. How many brothers I have? And sister?
What?
How many brothers and sisters I have?
2 brothers.
Yeah.
You know if you have no sister?
I have 3 brothers.
You have 3 brothers?
Yeah, 2 on my father's side and 1 no. Actually, 3 brothers and 1 on my mother's side.
So 4 brothers.
Yeah, because my father was a
so 3 different mother. You get them both from?
2 from the same mother and then 1. Yeah. One from a different one.
And where the other one come from?
The other one come from me hear him in Kingston, but then
so,
I hear
3
him,
different mothers.
Yeah, but I hear him. The mother is Bajan.
I see.
And then there's speculation, which you'll meet my cousin in St. Mary, how he have a girl child, another girl child. There's speculation.
Legit. Okay.
Yeah. But anyways.
The fuck how they do this?
You're trying to steal this vehicle? No, that bullshit. They lied to you. I discovered this car. I'm discovering this car. This gentleman right here is telling me.
Yeah.
I went inside to get some water. I left my car out here in front of my driveway.
What was your first reaction when you met me?
You lied. It's not your car no
Girl,
When you see me?
what?
We're vlogging. So what was your first reaction when you seen me?
Oh, look up on her. Cheese as fuck. I'm fretting her still.
Yeah, because you're playing pool. Huh? You're playing pool and then you just suddenly stop.
Oh no! When we first saw you, I thought when I picked you up the other day.
No, I'm talking about when we first met.
Oh well, yeah. Like the moment they went coming like a fairy tale thing still. Yeah, yeah. I mean, in my game, and all of a sudden, I see this lady across the room with her eyes in my sparkle away, captivating still and all, And there was like a moment there. I mean, it told I make 4. And everything just ceases to exist then we just are connected, I felt something that day there. Or the night there. The other night. Yeah, give me a little innocent smile. Y'all know she's a baddie,
Okay, anyway.
Yeah.
Well, okay. I'm lost for words, guys. Wow. That was really nice.
Oh, that's my big nose there.
You don't have no big nose. Yeah, guys. I just wanted to come on here and, talk to you guys. Quarantine is not so bad just because I have him. I would say quarantine really strengthened our relationship because we're so far apart. Hello, I'm vlogging. Sorry guys, you're just watching fuckery right now.
This is not
B, I'm vlogging.
Ohio has replaced it with a system that quickly and humanely rips off the heads of
Yeah.
inmates using powerful
Anyways, I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that I'm okay. I did my check-in. Check-in is so annoying. You have to do it like 3, 4, 5 times a day. It's annoying. And the notification just comes up on your phone for you to do your check-in. Yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to come on. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make that thumbs up blue. And turn on your post notification. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Say bye.
No?
Say bye.
Oh, little more.
Little more means later.
Right,